Meristematic tissues, derived from Greek meristos, that is divided, unspecialized cells that can be divided indefinitely to produce new cells. Meristems is the region where meristematic cells develop. Meristematic tissues are usually found at the apex of root and shoot. Meristematic tissues. The growth of plants occur in certain specific regions. This is because the dividing tissues, known as meristematic tissues, composed of actively dividing cells responsible for the production of cells. Capacity for division is restricted to certain parts of the plant called meristems, which are active throughout the life of the plant body. Cells of the tissues tend to divide continuously. These tissues are of three types: apical meristematic tissue, lateral meristematic tissues, intercalary meristematic tissues. The lateral meristematic tissues, intercalary meristematic meristem, apical meristem. Meristematic tissues. Meristems are places in plants where cell division is occurring. During cell division, one cell becomes two cells. Each new cell can also divide. That is, one cell is divided into two, and again it will divide into separate. Meristematic tissues. Functions. Plants have meristematic tissues in several locations. Roots and shoots have meristematic tissues at apical meristems, the tips that are responsible for the elongation of roots and shoots. During embryonic development, the shoot apical meristem is formed, but leaves and flowers after germination gives rise to the stem. The root apical meristem is also formed during development, but during germination gives rise to the root system. Primary growth is cell division and cell lengthening in the apical meristem, which ends up starting an increase in root length and plant height. Organelles. The volcanoes are small. The cytoplasm does not contain differentiated plastids, but they are there in rudimentary form. Proplastids. The cell wall is a very thin primary cell wall.